Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Lux Angel. On this channel, I feature videos regarding luxury, fashion, and style. So if you're new and you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and subscribe with the red subscribe button down below. In this video, I am doing a What's in My Bag SLG edition. So I recently unboxed some small leather goods from Coach, and I got requests to show what's inside or what fits inside. So let me just go ahead and do that now. So this is the small wallet from Coach. I love it. It's beautiful. It's in the cross grain leather in the color Blossom with gold tone hardware. So let's just see what's inside. So when you first open it up, boom, I have my ID. Boop. You don't need to see all of that, but my ID does fit in here. When I unboxed it, I was like, I didn't realize that this pocket was here. I mean, I saw the pocket, but I thought it was a coin purse on the website, but the coin purse is actually back here. So let's just actually go right back here. And I do have some coins in there. I don't have many coins, but yeah, I have a few coins in there. So yeah, the coin purse is on the back, and there's the coins, and then my ID just fits so good in there. Like, it has my information on it, so I don't want to just show it. I hope I didn't show it all. Like, I hope nobody can, whatever, it's not the point. Point is, so there it is. The ID fits so cute in there, and it's really easy to get in and out of, so that's cute. So let's just open this bad boy up. Hope I'm not giving away nobody's information. Here's my lawyer, Antonio S. Nicholson. you never know when a girl might need some legal help. You know. All right, so we have 3 card slots here, 3 card slots here, and I only have 1 card in each slot. And then we have a slip pocket here. Now I used to have my key. It's like a card, and it's a key to get into, I'll show you. It's a key to get into my community pool and my gym, and I used to have that here, but since it's technically a key, I went ahead and just put it in my key case so I can always have it on hand if I don't have my wallet. So that also fit in there, but in here I have so many gift cards. Like, this wallet can fit so many cards, like including everything. I probably have, I think, like 16, 17 cards in here. So here are all my gift cards. So that's 4 in 1 pocket, and I guarantee you I could fit more in there. Like, look how easily that goes in there. So this wallet can hold a lot. Like, let's see if I can just put it with this. So that's 5, and look how easily that goes in there. That's 5 cards in that one slip pocket. So you know it can fit that many in other pockets as well. But I don't have that in there right now. So right now I just have, here are my gift cards, and then on this side I have several of my family's insurance cards. So I have my daughter's and my husband's, like, insurance and dental cards. That's 4 cards right there. In both slip pockets I have 4 cards, and I could fit much more. And I don't carry much cash, but I do have like a $2 bill. Whatever, it's just a $2 bill. That's all I have. Like, I don't really carry cash, I carry cards. So what do we have here? So we have 6 cards here, 4 cards here, that's 10, and then another 4 here. So that's 14 cards we have in here currently. So it fits a lot, and that's plus the ID, so 15, and I could fit more. So this wallet does fit a lot. If you're considering going ahead and getting it, I definitely do recommend it. I love that the ID is right here. So if I do get carded when I go out still, don't know why, I'm 30, but I guess I'm looking good, girl. Black ain't cracking. How you like me, though? No, I'm joking. Anyway, but it's right here. So that is nice. It's just so convenient and so cute. I do recommend this wallet. I just think it's adorbs. The zipper's really good, and it fits everything you need, like everything. No need for anything else. So that is what's in my bag, small leather goods edition. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're considering getting this wallet, I believe it's still for sale. They have lots of different versions with like prints and stuff like that, so go ahead and check it out on the Coach website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and until next time, have a gorgeous day. Bye.